Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be talking about teeth. Okay guys, so next is going to be a couple of little tips from me to you now that you have heard my story. If you guys are wanting to get braces, or if you're in the transition or have your appointment to get braces, here are some good tool tips that you will need. So before we get into the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as hit the post notifications bell to get notification whenever I upload. Hello, there we go. Like these videos if you guys like these type of videos. I have a whole bunch of stuff. I can do different videos. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I can write them down. I can go back to this video and I can answer them in another video if you guys want to. First tip is to, if you're gonna get both upper and bottom braces, I really recommend getting the little Q circle flosser helpers, because those are one, they're super cheap, you can find them everywhere, and your orthodontist will probably give you some as well. Go to Walmart. Those are super easy because you're gonna be able to go through the metal and you're able to floss very correctly through the teeth. So that's what I did. Highly recommend those because I was trying to floss without them and they were just not, it was just getting stuck to my tooth because they were so wet. Second tip, I really recommend brushing and flossing every day, 3 times a day. You can do 2 times a day, but that's the minimum, and I highly recommend it. And also, I just got this little tool for myself, but I highly recommending getting a nice electronic toothbrush. Mine is the Philips Sonicare brush, and this one is the Diamond Clean, so mine is actually $280. This works so good. After I've been I got my teeth whitened and stuff, and I got my second braces, my teeth were looking very dingy, and I have not gone back to whiten my teeth again because I ended up getting this one, and this has a whiten feature on here. It has actually cleaning feature, a whiten feature, a gum health feature, a deep clean feature, and a tongue care feature, and it actually comes with so many top tools. So what you do is you just push this top out, and the main thing is here, this is rechargeable. It's a great set. It's $280, but like I said, it's really great, and my teeth have gotten so white naturally with this toothbrush because it's cleaning my teeth. And the brush heads, I recommend interchanging them out every 3 months because it's very important for you to just change them every 3 months. After you get your retainer, they recommend you to wear your retainer for about a month or however long, and completely, just obviously when you're eating, take them out, clean yourself, floss, whatever, and then put them back in. I recommend also wearing your retainer for a long time because you just stopped doing it. So I highly recommend you do this as well, every night if you don't want to wear it throughout the day. I know I have a little bit of a speech impediment when I wear them. So yeah, I think those were my biggest tips for you guys who are getting braces or who are starting to get in the process of them. I am really grateful for my parents who helped me with the first one. I did it, I ended up paying half and half for me and my parents for my braces, and then the second one I am super grateful for as well, because the doctor, they knew me from my regular job, so I really recommend them. The prices for the braces, if you have any questions on that, it just really depends on who you go to. They do range from $4,000 to $7,000 to $10,000 depending on who you go to, the type of treatment, and the length of your treatment as well. So I know it just kind of depends. I really can't give you a straight answer on that one, but I recommend just making a phone call, getting your consultation in. I know some orthodontists do have free first consultations, so I recommend going to those. Yes, girl. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, so that is everything. If you have any other questions, or if you have anything you want to let me know, I can do a second video, a follow-up video to this video down here. Just leave them down below in the comment section. You can Instagram comment me, you can tweet me, you can snap me those questions as well. Just I'll probably screenshot them for this video. But yeah, I am super excited. I'm so happy that I just got my teeth back, y'all. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. Let me know. Please comment down below, subscribe down below, be sure to hit post notifications to get notification whenever I upload. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Please leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next one.